Utilizing video mockups is one of the best things you can do to help your item be visible, but also clickable in Etsy search. And the reason for this is that Etsy allows your video to play right in search when someone scrolls over your listing. Now, the great part about that is, number one, video will catch their eye, but most of the listings on Etsy are not even utilizing video. And some people have created their shops since 2016, and video was not available in 2016 for the Etsy listing. That means you can actually compete well and actually be more visible in search than the rest of the competition because they're not utilizing video on their listing. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to upload a video mockup to your Etsy listing so you can start utilizing this feature, start increasing your sales on Etsy. I'm sure this all with you coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make passive income online by creating and selling your own products. So if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now, the cool things about using video mockups for your Etsy listing is that your video will actually play right here in search when someone hovers over your screen. And normally we see things like this where we just see some slideshows of some different products, but I don't really see a lot of people utilizing video in the proper way. And so we can go in here and actually outbeat this competition by utilizing great video mockups for our product to be shown in search, and with someone actually wearing our product as if it is something someone else can purchase and put on themselves. As you see here, most people are not utilizing video mockups. And if people are using video mockups, they don't have a particular model in the video where it can actually showcase what the product will look like on a person. So this is a video I'm going to teach you how to create yourself so your product can start being visible in search, and of course check out with you and purchase items from your shop. So the main platform we're going to use is Placeit, and they were so kind to give my audience a discount code for you to go ahead and use this and to try this and to test this out, really to see if it's best for your print-on-demand business. And so I make sure to leave all the details in my description box below if you want to learn more about that. But Placeit is good, just not for just video mockups, but really all things print on demand. They give you an opportunity to design different print on demand products. As you see here, you can design anything from book covers, business cards, flyers, posters, and of course, our traditional print on demand products like t-shirts, sweatshirts, and things of that nature. Now, you can go in here and actually look up different mockups for whatever print on demand product you are going to sell. Again, in our case today, we're going to focus on selling t-shirts, but as you can see, they have all things print on demand like bags, coffee mugs, drinkware, phone cases, wall art design, t-shirts, pillows, just to name a few. So you have a lot of things to work with here. Just got to figure out what is your product and actually find some great video mockups to use to showcase on your Etsy listing. In our case today, we just want to use a search bar and actually search up video mockups for t-shirts. It has video mockups right here, and we can actually categorize this based upon a particular person we want to feature. In our case today, we just want to just search up just the generic term t-shirt video mockups, because I want to share with you how they have multiple things you can actually utilize for your print-on-demand business. And so off the bat here, one of the things I just want to talk about is how they have so many different options for you to really find the best video mockup that you want to use for your product. With all of these extra categories here on the side, they make it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for, even as going as far as finding that particular person you want to feature. Again, we have all of these filters here on the side that you can actually find exactly the model you want to use and showcase on your product. See, all of these things that's showing on my screen is a video mockup. Now with Placeit, they have a couple different styles of video. They have this here, the traditional landscape video that we can utilize and crop later to fit our listing. We have the vertical video that's really popular right now for different type of social media platforms, but it's just great if people are looking up our products on mobile with Etsy. And we have some video where we actually have the text on screen. I like to use video mockups that do not have the text on screen if I'm utilizing it specifically for Etsy. And I like to focus on video mockups that are in that vertical format. Again, that will just makes the entire process easier. I don't have to crop anything out. I know it's going to work well on mobile as well as on desktop if someone is using that. So with this particular set here, this one here is just of someone who is taking pictures in different type of ways, but again, they have brought all these pictures together to make one listing be a video. So I can play that for you here. And as you can see here, this is different ways we can showcase our product, our t-shirt. Then we have a vertical video like this, where it truly is a video of a person, full motion here. And again, utilizing Placeit, technology, we can upload our design right there on the image. And just like the shirt is printed right on our model here, which is going to be perfect to showcase on Etsy. All right, so now that you have your video mock-up selected, you can actually insert your design here, and they give you the option to change the color of your t-shirt. Now this is really cool because again, you can change the color right here on the spot. You see exactly what your design is going to look like on your color t-shirt. In our case today, our t-shirt color is going to be black, and it's going to be perfect for us to upload our design on because we do have some white text. So now we want to upload our design. All we have to do here is go to this blue button here, and we want to upload from our device. We will find where our image is. All right, and here's our design. Now, being that we have white text, it's going to be difficult for us to see, but again, our entire design is here. Now, one of the things I know to work best when we have a design like this is to move up our design higher on the grid than it was on the middle. As I see, this is the perfect placement for our design to sit right below that collar area. Make sure you stay in the highlighted area, because again, if you move it over to the side, you will see here that the portion that's not in the highlighted area will not be on our t-shirt. So you definitely want to make sure your t-shirt design is in that bright area so that it will be visible on the t-shirt. Now they do give you an option to add in audio here, but again, Etsy does not take audio in their files that's being uploaded in video format. So again, we're not going to utilize that here, but if you do want to utilize this for different social media platforms, you can definitely add in some audio here, and they have a lot of different songs you can choose if you are utilizing this for social media. In our case today, we are not. We're just simply using this for Etsy listing, so we will turn that off. And again, if everything looks well here, we will hit play all slides, and what this will do is that it will render out our entire video design, so we can actually have a file we can download to our computer and upload to our Etsy listing. All right, so now our video is complete, and you can see that our t-shirt design looked great here on this video mock-up. So if everything is good here, I can go back up to the top, I can hit download, and now this will be available to download to my computer. So once our file is ready, we will simply click download, and now this will download to our computer to upload to our Etsy listing. All right, so here we are in Etsy, and this is what you would typically see when you are uploading your images to your listing here. Again, you can upload your basic images here, and again, you will have the option to upload your video mock-up here. And of course, we have all the listing details that we would typically do when we are utilizing keywords for our listing. Right now, we're just going to spend time focusing on the video here. Now, Etsy tells us that we can bring our product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. And again, this is exactly what Placeit has done for us. It created a video that's going to fit perfectly in the timeline that we have, as well as making sure that we follow the criteria and requirements with no sound, and making sure that we just showcase our product itself. Now, Etsy has already told us is that video mockups could help us drive more sales, so we definitely want to utilize that for every listing that we have moving forward. Etsy give us some best practices to make sure that we aim for high quality video like 1080p, and making sure that our video is in the right dimension and we are utilizing that vertical format. And again, by utilizing Placeit, it keeps to all of these best practices, so we know that whatever video we upload is going to be perfect for Etsy. And of course, we got to make sure that the video's file size is no higher than 100 megabytes. And again, Placeit falls in line with that criteria as well. Again, this just saves so much time to utilize Placeit because it works perfect for Etsy listings. Now, in our case today, we want to upload our video mockup. And so we're going to click this here, and we want to find our video mockups. And once we have our video file, we can upload that to our Etsy listing. All right, so here's the video mockup we have created in Placeit, and now it is available to showcase on our Etsy listing. If we want to see the video and how it will play for our customers in search, here it is. And we have our design right here in the center of our mockup here. And if you want to just crop this a little bit more, we can. Again, we have the options here to crop our design. I think in our case today, the original file size is fine. I can hit apply. And now from here, I can just set up the rest of my information for my titles, my tags, my description, upload some great mockup photos here. But again, once I hit publish, this will be visible on my Etsy listing, just not in search, but when somebody click my item, they can actually see this video being played right there on the Etsy listing as well. Now, if you want to check out Placeit on your own, I'll make sure to leave all the details in my description box below, along with a discount code for you to go ahead and try this out and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. Now, in today's video, I didn't have time to talk about how to actually set up a print-on-demand business to get started selling your products on Etsy. If you want to learn my exact step-by-step process of how to do that, and make sure you click this next video here. And if you want to learn more about how to make income online, make sure you subscribe to my channel here. So always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.